Alright, the question asks about printing the following nursery rhyme on only one line of Python code, or using only one print statement. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the famous nursery rhyme. 6 lines of the rhyme, and there are some indentations here. One indentation, one tab here, 2 tabs here on the 3rd line. On the 4th line we have 2 other tabs, and then finally on the 6th line there was 1 tab. So let's do it. Beforehand, there's a hint how you do it. On one line of code, using \n for new line and using \t for tab for indentation. So let's do it. Print statement, parentheses, quotation mark for strings, and then copy the first line of this rhyme and paste it here. Now you got to go to the next line or new line, so use \n. And then how many tabs you need? Only 1 tab, so \t, and then you copy the 2nd line and paste it here. You got to go to the next line, so new line with \n, and then how many tabs? 2 tabs. So tab \t, and then copy the 3rd line, paste it here, then go to the next line, so \n, and then how many tabs on the 4th line? There are 2 tabs. So \t, and then paste the 4th line here. You got to go to the new line, so \n, and then 5th line doesn't have any indentation, so don't worry about \t anymore here. You just paste the 5th line. You go to the new line, so \n. How many tabs? Only 1. So let's copy this as well, and then \t, and then paste it. Now let's run it. Here is the result. It is exactly the same thing we have here, but just one more thing. It's very long-tailed. Let's trim it a little more so you can enter, basically go to the new line in your code within the print statement. Each time you see enter, and then you can run it again to see, you see that the same result we have here, but just we use only one print statement. That's all about it. Thanks.